I will talk about how can you enable comments on your app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Click on profile. Then you come to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Click on settings. You just click on settings. It's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, just keep going down. Click here on activity filter here. Just click on it. Then come to this is here. Come here to comments. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean comments enable with us now. Go above save. Click on it. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.